Hi, everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of setting up a newsletter in MailerLite. If you're new to MailerLite, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. First, click on Campaigns. Then, on the right side, click on Create Campaign. Next, select the type of campaign you want. After that, fill out the form with details such as the name, subject, and other options. Once done, click on Content. You'll then see the option to design your email. Here you can customize and set up your newsletter. Now we're going through the drag and drop editor. Simply click on Drag and Drop. Here you can customize your newsletter. After you've finished editing, click on Save Changes. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.